Welcome to our first unboxing video.
Without a box.
Oh yeah, unwrapping video.
Unwrapping. We'll call it unwrapping video.
Okay.
So what have we got?
An order from, where was it from? I can't remember.
Printful. We needed new.
Where did we ship it from though? Can't remember. Well, some factory.
They had a factory in Spain. They've got a factory in Spain. Our first order was from Spain. Then they're building a factory in
Oh, they're bringing one to Birmingham.
So wasn't too bad delivery, to be fair.
Not Birmingham, Alabama. Birmingham.
That would take a lot longer.
Yeah, UK.
Yeah. So we've been essentially designing our own merch. And we've actually, both of us have been looking forward to this for a while because it's our favourite design of the lot.
Yeah.
We'll put some links and stuff at the bottom so you can see all the other designs, and if you want to order you can do that. But should we just start with the best one?
I mean, this one's really good.
Okay, let's go with the T-shirt first. Go on.
Yeah.
I'll do the T-shirt.
Ooh, it's quite good. Very colourful.
Probably our most colourful.
I'm not very good with wrapping. So.
It shouldn't be too difficult.
Okay, I'll try. I'm not very good at it.
Yeah, it wasn't too bad.
Ooh.
There we go.
Okay.
So yeah.
So, first of all, we got minimalist branding.
Yeah, that's just what we're like.
Yeah. And then we've got our cube,
Actually,
designed by. Yeah.
not quite the same colours, but yeah.
Yeah, Prajay took his time, like trying to make these as good as he could. And then you've got the hashtag I beat the cube.
And essentially, any child that beats the cube,
Yeah.
they get this T-shirt.
Yeah.
We've given away a couple so far. This one's actually reserved for one of our students. So we'll send that out to him as well.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, all right. Let's
Feels really, really soft.
see this quite soft actually. What's it made of?
What's it not?
Yeah, is it not this? Is it the top or is it here?
Oh, yeah, it'll be there.
100% cotton. That's probably why.
Yeah, 100% cotton.
And then this looks like a screen print. It hasn't gone into the cloth, so you can see. I don't know if you can see that or not. It's quite solid colours. Hopefully it'll be alright in the wash and stuff.
Yeah, it should be. If it's screen printed, then it should
last
hold
for a while.
should hold its colour relatively well. I love this black though. The black and the contrast. And this white logo. I think it stands out really well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool.
Let's move on.
Alright, let's put that to one side. Let's go with. Alright, these are actually our ones.
Yeah. Yeah, I came in. Well, I actually was counting on getting one because it's quite cold. So I need a hoodie. These are half. As far as I'm aware, they're half polyester and half cotton.
Are they?
I think they're the blend, I believe.
Yeah. I don't have my other actual one with me, but yeah. I don't know how much I can spit this one out. So we have our Idea hoodie. That's the name of it. It's the Idea hoodie. Mm-hmm. Tell you what is the best one, the best bit of clothing is probably this one of our icons on the cap.
Yeah.
Because the light bulb's like above your head.
I do want one of those caps.
Next order.
Yeah,
go on, what's it made of?
Well, I think it's polyester and.
It's like our other ones. It's so soft, man.
Look, see it. It says made in Honduras. Oh, yeah, it's printed in
50% cotton, 50% polyester, right?
Yeah. That kind of gives, well, Polyester's a bit more durable. Cotton's also soft. So if you have like a 50% mix, then it gives you.
It is soft.
It's a bit like an alloy.
Yeah, fabric alloy.
Yeah, fabric alloy.
And this one is DTG, so that means it's direct to garment, which essentially means that the ink has been put into the fabric, like you would print on paper. The fabric is kind of soaked up the ink, so it's not as bold as the other ones do. It's not as bold as screen printing. As you can see, that's like actually on top of the fabric, whereas this is woven or like soaked up into the fabric. So it's not as bold, but hopefully it means it would last even longer.
I don't know.
We'll find out, won't we? I don't know.
Yeah.
But yeah, I would have quite liked this to be
a bit brighter.
Yeah, like solid, because you can still see bits of the fabric through the ink. But it looks like good quality. We've got a few from this company already.
First order as well. First order took how long though?
First order took like 2 months or something.
Yeah.
Over 2 months. But there were a lot of shipping problems with everything that's been going on as well. So.
Yeah. But I think now
this one was like 2 to 3 weeks, which is not too bad, especially for like a one-off print. It's not terrible.
Yeah. No. One of the reasons why we went with sort of these print on demand rather than batch printing was because storage.
And to be honest, I worked out the cost. It wasn't that much different to you know, but then you'd also have the cost of storage, so it actually ends up being more expensive.
Yeah, you got to think about the ongoing costs of well, if you want to print a lot in batch, then the ongoing cost of storage, that space could be used for something else.
We're quite limited on space.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, so there's that. So we got 2. I'm going to put one on.
I'm going to put mine on as well.
Yeah. They're both medium.
They're both medium, yeah.
Cool.
Just to compare, we talked about screen printing, direct to garment, DTG, and then the third option is stitching, which is what this one is. So it's actually stitched into the clothing.
Yeah.
So that obviously probably won't wear down or anything. It's quite clear.
Yeah.
I think the caps are stitched.
Caps are stitched.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Stitching's really, really, really good. But obviously
for bigger items like this.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, I'm gonna take this off first, so you're just gonna go straight for it.
Yeah. Okay.
That looks good.
It looks good.
Yeah, do you know what's also a good thing is that they're both wearing black jeans today.
Oh yeah.
So
yeah, the contrast, as it were. Yeah. I wanted also we wanted something that we could wear out, not just at work.
Just at work,
yeah, you can see like sort of minimal branding, and I think it looks quite
nice,
good.
Comfortable.
So yeah, these are very comfortable. These are very comfortable. Yeah. And then
one more still.
We've got one more. This one is
let's flip it over. There we go. This is our standards. I'm not even sure if these ones are for sale or not, but these are.
I think they're in the shop.
They're in the shop. We'll have to have a look. This is just for to wear while we're working, teaching and stuff.
Who's having this one? Is this one for sale?
I think it's for Rupa.
Is it?
Yeah. Do you want a really baggy?
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And again, this one is DTG as well. I don't know how much you can see there, but
It's massive. It's,
Yeah, well,
what size is this? Extra large.
yeah. There were a few people that wanted like proper baggy,
Yeah.
comfortable hoodies. I think medium works.
Yeah.
So
So
I'm happy with this. Turned out alright.
yeah, it's not bad. I mean, I love the black.
Yeah.
It's kind of
Yeah, because everything we had before was either the like navy or the
Dark.
grey one I was wearing a minute ago.
the grey one.
Yeah. Again, our original ones of these were screen printed. And they've been through quite a few washes and they're still holding up really well. So it's like brighter. Probably should have switched that out first.
Oh.
But yeah, we'll go back to it. Yeah, the screen printed ones are brighter that we have, and they seem to be holding up just fine. We've had them for a couple of years now. But from far away, can't really tell a difference. So, yeah. Oh, I have one more thing. It's not clothing. One more thing to unbox. Or what do you say? Unwrap. Unwrap.
Well, this one's it's a wrap.
So,
You can deal with this. This one looks.
is it too stressful for you?
Yeah. Look.
There's more.
Imagine if
Not just a plain pillow. Alright, so what do we have? Any ideas what this is? You can probably guess, right?
should recognise the
You'd
colours.
recognise the logos and the colours. Alright, you do one, I do one. Let's, I was kind of expecting them to be ready put together, but
Oh yeah. Okay.
well, that's quite cool. They are for our reading corner on the sofa.
Yeah.
So,
Wait, what's
Where-
it? Wait, what?
is there no opening? It must be this thick bit here. There we go, the zip.
Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah. There's a zip. Alright.
Oh.
Oh, zip's my worst enemy. There.
Yeah, none of our hoodies have zips, do they?
Okay.
Bear with us. Maybe I'll fast forward this.
Oh yeah. I've only just started. Oh god.
Oh, try and break it.
Alright. Squish it really slowly. I can't do this. I'm not good at this kind of stuff. I actually give up. Like I can't be bothered.
Actually, give up, surely.
I give up.
You're so close to
I can't.
Oh, yeah, okay, you're not close at all. Right. It's because you haven't opened it all the way, that's why.
Oh, okay. Yeah, see, I'm not good with zips.
Just zips. Just zips.
Just anything.
Everything else is fine.
Yeah, and I got tired doing that.
This one is more difficult. I'm actually, it's the hoodie.
Yeah, no, yeah, the hoodie's very effective. It's super effective. I can't handle it. Too warm.
This one is quite difficult. I don't know what's wrong with me. That's definitely going to be time lapse. That's going to be. Where's the logo? The dot's meant to go in the top right, isn't it? Is that right?
I don't know. Hopefully they got that right.
Well, no. It just depends which way you turn it, doesn't it?
Oh yeah, that's true.
See?
Yeah, I'm not good at most things involving hands and eyes.
Hands and eyes and.
It's non-verbal reasoning.
It is non-verbal reasoning.
Yeah.
All right.
There they are.
Cool. that's us done for today.
And that was very exhausting.
I mean, it wasn't really.
It was. I'm well tired now.
Oh, well, at least you got a pillow to rest on.
Yeah. Yeah. Thanks for
Hopefully
joining us.
we'll be unboxing, or unboxing, whatever. Some more clothing, more like tech and things that we just end up accumulating. Yeah.
And that was it.
That's it. See you next time.
Like and subscribe.
Follow.